So I've picked up the Hero 8 light mod, and I'm going to try it out in this darkened storage room, which I imagine looks pretty crappy right now. So this is obviously with the light off. I had to use a pretty interesting setup to get it mounted since the media mod hasn't shipped yet. I'm using my GoPro Shorty to hold the camera. And then I've got the light itself, since it comes with a little 2-finger prong mount. Got it mounted on the magnetic swivel clip. So it's interesting looking. So I have this is the light off. I do have the diffuser on the front of it. So let's see, where's the power button? That's gonna be low. So that seems very blinding right now, but it probably looks pretty decent. This is medium. There we go. Can't see anything. It has very effectively blinded me, so that's pretty cool. And then this is high. I really feel like medium's really going to be best for most situations, but more than anything, I feel like this is going to be amazing for when the media mod comes out. I can stick it on top of the camera, and when I'm shooting something under a car, under the dash, under the hood at night, basically in any dark spot on a car, which is quite honestly a lot of them, I think this is actually going to be really awesome. The media mod finally went on sale for pre-order last night, and I did order one. Here, I think medium is going to be the way to go. That's medium. I think that's what I'm going to use most of the time. I'll see how this video looks. But yeah. Anyway, media mod did go on sale last night, and I pre-ordered one, and mine currently says ships by 1/27. So hopefully somewhere around the 29th, I will have the media mod with a shotgun mic and a cold shoe mount for this thing. It's very small and honestly pretty impressively bright, for especially when you're shining it in your face. But yeah, I mean, overall it's pretty damn good. The small size is really the winning thing here. Oh, also USB-C is how it charges, which is fantastic because that's the same as the camera, same as my iPad. You know, it's nice to have just one charging cable for a bunch of stuff. But yeah, I guess that concludes my quick impressions of it, and I'm gonna go see how this video looks. Later.